exercise 2.2. Find the value of polynomial. Find the value of polynomial. Okay, now you want to show the values. Values right chupiyalandi. They given the polynomial. What the polynomial? 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, what the polynomial? 4x square minus 5x plus 3. ఇక్కడ polynomial ని నేను p of x అనుకుంటాను. Okay, p of x equal to what? 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, now that is the polynomial. అక్కడ వేరియబుల్ ఏముందండి? What is the variable? I have x. See the first question. If first question x equal to 0, I want to put x equal to 0. See the first question. In first question, put x equal to 0. అంటే x plus element అంటే 0. అంటే p of 0. P of 0 equal to what the value? 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0. In the middle, 5x అంటే middle లో ఏం లేదండి సింబల్. There is no symbol means in the middle multiplication is there. Plus 3. That equal to 0. 0 square means 0. 0 into 4, 0 minus 0 plus 3. What the value? 3. And the p of 0. What is the p of 0 value? And the 3. Like that. See the second one. P of and x plus n something cheyalandi. In x plus you want to substitute. Put x equal to minus 1. Second question. See p of x. P of x అంటే x plus n value minus 1 equal to x plus to minus 1 substitute చేయాలి. 4 into minus 1 whole square. Next ఏముందంటే minus 5 into minus 1 in x plus 3. See p of minus 1 equal to 4 into in the even power the minus will be positive అయిపోతుందండి. So 1 square equal to 1a. ఓకేనా? 4 into 1 4 ఉంది లేకపోతే 1 ఆ వాల్యూ మొత్తం ఏమవుతుందండి 1 మైనస్ into minus plus 5 1 5 plus 3. So 4 plus 5 plus 3. What is the value? 9 plus 3 12. P of minus 1 ఎంత వచ్చిందండి value? 12. Like that you want to do remaining problems. Means third one. Fourth one I will do the third one. See the third one, 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2. See, p of 1 by 2. In x place, I am substituting the 1 by 2. That equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Again, see, 4 into division line side వచ్చేసింది కదండి. సో 1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 స్క్వేర్ బై 2 స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 అయిపోతుంది. డైరెక్ట్ గా రాస్తాం వాల్యూస్ 5 1 5. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ కదా మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 5 1 5 డివైడెడ్ బై 2 ప్లస్ 3. 4 4 క్యాన్సిల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. That is p of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2. Do the LCM. What is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. So 2 minus 5 plus 6. That equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 by 2 is the p of 1 by 2. What is the p of 1 by 2 value? 3 by 2 came. Okay na? See the second row. See the second of find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomial. Ante they given the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus x plus 3. See the first question. P of x equal to x square minus 1 plus x square minus 6 in second Roman, first one. X square minus 1 minus x plus 1 is their question. Okay na? Find find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Ante x plus time substitute first p of 0 అనుకున్నాడు first p of 0 అంటే x plus time substitute చేయాలని 0 దాని మీనింగ్ p of 0 అనుకుంటే x plus 0 substitute చేయాలి 0 square minus 0 plus 1 that equal to what value 1. See the next one. Find p of 0, p of 1 and also p of 2. P of 1 means in x place you want to substitute 1. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 cancel, that equal to 1. P of 1. See p of 2. Next you want to find out p of 2 అనుకున్నాడు అంటే x plus x substitute చేశారంటే 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 3. That equal to p of 2. That is the values. P of 0 is the 1. P of 1 is the value 1. P of 2 equal to 3. అంటే given the polynomial, ఒక polynomial ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ polynomial లో p of 0 అంటే వాల్యూ ఎంత, p of 1 వాల్యూ, p of 2 వాల్యూ you want to find out. Okay na? Like that. Second one, do yourself. Third one also do. Third one easy కదండి. p of అంటే z ప్లేస్ లో 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ 0 అయిపోతుంది. p of 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 1 క్యూబ్ అనేది 1/8. p of 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే కనుక 2/3 అయిపోతుంది. 2/3 means 8. Okay, like that. Fourth one I will tell. Okay, fourth one also easy. This is the question, polynomial. You want to show the p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. P of 0. What is the p of 0? You want to substitute in p value as 0. 0 minus 1. 0 plus 1. What is the value? Minus 1. This is the value plus 1. So, in the middle, multiply minus into plus, minus. 1 into 1, 1. So, p of 0 equal to 1. Okay, like that. Next one, p of 1. P of 1 is there. You want to find out. P of 1 means p value lo 1 substitute cheyalandi. 1 minus 1, so 1. What the value? 0 into 2. That equal to 0 into 2, 0 only. P of 1 equal to what the value? 0. Okay na? Like that. You want to find out p of 2. Next one. T place में 2 substitute చేశారండి. That equal to 1 into 3. What is the value? That equal to 3. P of 2 equal to 3. Like that you want to find out. See the third Roman. Verify whether the value of x given in each case are zeros of the polynomial or not. First question, p of x equal to 2x plus 1, that is the polynomial. In that polynomial you want to substitute the x value, they given the x value x equal to minus 1 by 2. అక్కడ x value substitute చేసే గన మీకు what is the in each case of the 0 of the polynomial or not, అది 0 polynomial అవుతుందో లేదో చెప్పమంటున్నాను. See here, see the third one, p of x equal to 2x plus 1, what they given x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay na, verify whether the value of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. అవి zeros of the polynomial అవుతా లేదో చెప్పమంటున్నాను. See, అంటే x ప్లస్ ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలని, x ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత minus 1 by 2 అంటే x ప్లస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా, అంటే p of minus 1 by 2 that equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 to cancel, 1 is there, 1 into 1 minus 1, here minus is there, plus 1, so that equal to minus 1 plus 1 0. So p of minus 1 by 2 ఏమంటారండి, p of minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, like that one right now. Yes, లేకపోతే yes it is 0 of polynomial. మన 0 రాకపోతే it is not a 0 of polynomial, like that. We'll see another one. Second one, see the second one. Second one, do yourself. P of x equal to 5x minus pi. In x place you want to substitute the minus 3 by 2. అక్కడ pi అంటే కన్నా 22 by 7 తీసుకోండి, ఓకేనా, you will find. See the third one also same. థర్డ్ వన్ కూడా సేమ్ అండి, అంటే ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 1 తీసుకోవాలి, అనదర్ టైం యూ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ -1. ఒకసారి +1 తీసుకోవాలి, ఒకసారి -1 తీసుకోవాలి. ఏం తీసుకున్నా కూడా 0 అని వస్తుంది కదా వాల్యూ. See the third one, p of x square minus 1 where x equal to plus or minus means one time you want to take the plus, another time you want to take the -1. See, p of 1 తీసుకున్నాం ఫస్ట్, that equal ఏమవుతుందంటే 1 square minus 1 that equal to 0, p of 1. నెక్స్ట్ p of -1 తీసుకున్నాం, x plus అది given ఒకసారి +1 తీసుకున్నాడు, ఒకసారి -1 whole square is equal to -1 that equal to 1 minus 1, it is also 0, p of -1 equal to 0. Okay na, both. So yes, it is also 0 of the polynomial. You want to write down the last time. See the next question, fourth one also substitute one time -1, another time -2. Okay na, so it will be also 0 of the polynomial. No, one time it will be 0 of the -1 substitute చేస్తే 0 of the polynomial రాదండి, -2 substitute చేస్తే 0 of the polynomial అవుతుంది. See the last one, y equal to 0 substitute చేయాలండి, y equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే ఆల్రెడీ 0 అయిపోతుంది, so it is a 0 of the polynomial. Next one, sixth one also same. In x place you want to do -b by a cancel అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ, a cancel అయితే -b plus b అవుతుంది, -b plus b also will be 0, so it is also 0 of the polynomial. Sixth one కూడా. See the seventh one and f of x equal to 3x square minus 1. So x minus 1 by root 3, another value 2 by root 3. Okay, now x equal to minus 1 by root 3, another value 2 by root 3. You want to substitute. So f of minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 whole square means 1 only divided by root 3 whole square means what is the answer? 3. That is equal to minus 1. So 3 cancel. What is the value? 1 minus 1 0. So f of minus 1 by 3 is the 0. See the second one. What is the second value? 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. Okay, now see 3 into 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 minus 1. So cancel. 4 minus 1 means 3. P of 2 by root 3. What is the value? 3. So it is not the 0 of the polynomial. First one is the 0 of the polynomial. Like that. Next one also same. See, f of x equal to 2x minus 1. Okay na, I x plus 10 substitute cheyalandi 1 by 2. Another time minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 substitute chese 2 will be the cancel. So 1 by 2 substitute chesinappudu it will be 0. Minus 1 by 2 substitute chesinappudu minus 2 will come. So first one is the 0 of the polynomial, second one is not the 0 of the polynomial. So like that. See the fourth Roman. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Find the 0 of the polynomial. You want to find out the 0 of the polynomial. They give given the x value. See, find the 0 of the polynomial. You want to find out the 0 of the polynomial in each of the cases. F of x equal to x plus 2. Fourth Roman, first one. See, you want to show that you want to find out the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial ante meeru find out cheyalante. F of x equal to 0 తీసుకోండి. Okay na, substitute in the question. Appudu emutundi 0 equal to x plus 2. Okay na, x equal to minus 2. That is the value. Okay na, x equal to minus 2 substitute chese kana it will be the 0 of the polynomial. See the next one, second one. F of x equal to x minus 2. So 0 equal to x minus 2. X equal to 2. Next, see the third one, 2x minus. See the third one. See the third one. F of x equal to 2x minus 2x plus 3. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. Okay now, 0 equal to 2x plus 3. See, by coming to this side, minus 3 equal to 2x. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, like that. See the fourth one. F of x equal to 2x minus 3. So 2x equal to 3, x equal to 2 by 3. Okay, like that. See the fifth one. F of x equal to x square. 0 equal to x square. x equal to 0. X equal to 0. See the next one, sixth one, f of x equal to p of x. F of x equal to p of x. Sorry, px, not p of x. Px. So you want to find out x value, and after x equal to 0 by p, that equal to 0 only. X equal to 0. See the next one, f of x equal to px plus q. So minus q is equal to p of x. X equal to minus q by p. Okay, now that is the fourth Roman. See the fifth Roman. If 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Find the value of a. The 0 of the polynomial. Already 2 అనేది 0 of the polynomial అయిపోయిందండి అక్కడ. అంటే p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. What is the p of x value? 2x square minus 3 plus 7a. Okay na, find the value of a. 2 is the 0 of polynomial అన్నాడు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే నా, 2 అనేది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వాట్ ద వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ p of 2 అంటే p of 2 అనేది ఏమనేదండి, p of 2 అనేది 0 of the polynomial అంటే అది 0 అయిపోతుందండి. ఆ వాల్యూ మనం 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుందంటే 0. సో p of I am substituting p of 2 is equal to 2 into what is the value 4 minus 3 into 2 plus 7a. Okay na, 0 equal to 8 minus 6 plus 7a. At the value 2, by coming to this side minus 2 by 7a. A is equal to minus 2 by 7. Okay na, that is the a value. Like that. See the sixth one. Sixth one, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x equal to 2x power 3 minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the value of a and b. Because 0 of the polynomials 0 ఇచ్చేసాడు 1 ఇచ్చాడండి. What is the polynomial they given? F of x. Okay, now they given for you 0 of the polynomials of 0 and 1. So f of 0 equal to 0, f of 1 also yo. See, f of 0 and f of 1, both values are zeros. I am substituting the values. F of 0 equal to 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus a into 0 plus b. So 0 equal to total value here 0, that equal to b equal to 0. See the next one. F of 1 equal to 2 minus 3 plus a plus b. Okay, now 0 equal to -1 plus a plus b. See here, already you know the b value. What is the b value? 0. So -1 equal to a plus 0. That equal to a equal to -1. Okay, now but the a value -1 came. So b value is 0. Like that you want to find out the values. అర్థమైందండి? f of అక్కడ 0 తో పాలనేది గివెన్ ఫర్ యూ. సో f of 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయిపోతుంది, f of 1 కూడా 0. లైక్ దట్. see the 2.3 exercise 2.3. find the remainder. You want to find the remainder when x power 3. find the remainder when x power 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomial. The given for you the polynomials. The given for you the polynomials, that is 2.3. First one, p of x equal to x power 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. That is the డివిడెండ్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ మనం ఫాస్ట్ అనండి, లేకపోతే డివిజన్స్ మెథడ్లో చేయాలి. డివిజన్స్ మెథడ్లో చేస్తే అది లాంగ్ మెథడ్ అయిపోతుంది, అంటే లేట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రిమైండర్స్. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఫాస్ట్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూలు వాట్ ద గివెన్ ఫర్ ద ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ యూ వాంట్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ద ఇన్ పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే కనుక మీకు నీట్గా అర్థమైపోతుంది. See the first one, x plus 1 equal to g of x. That is the dividend. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay now, I am putting the 0, x plus 1. So x equal to what the value? -1. x equal to -1 అనేది దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే నా? p of -1 equal to -1 whole power 3 plus 3 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 plus 1. So what is the value? -1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 also cancel. So value is f of -1 is 0. Okay now, see the next one. x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by 2. You want to substitute the value in p of x place లో 1 by 2 substitute చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. See the third one. They don't give it for you the value x equal to అని ఇచ్చాడు, x అని ఇచ్చాడండి, ఓన్లీ x అని ఇచ్చాడు. అంటే x equal to 0 అంటే p of x place లో మీరు 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. Okay, next place to view something total 0 అయిపోయి what is the value? 1. Like that. See the fourth one, x plus pi, that means equal to 0. x equal to pi అయిపోతుంది. అంటే p of x place లో మీరు ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ pi. సో వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది? I will tell that problem. Fourth one, put x equal to pi. Fourth one, x equal to pi substitute చేయాలండి. So p of pi is equal to pi power 3 plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. Okay now, that is the value. You want to add it? No, nothing. See the next one, fifth one, 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x 5 plus 2x equal to 0. Okay na, x equal to what the value minus 5 by 2. So I am substituting in the equation లో substitute చేయండి. What the value x equal to minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. So the value is minus 5 by 2 whole power 3 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole power 2 plus minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, what the value minus 125 by 8 plus 25 is 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. That is the value. Want to do the LCM? Means do the LCM. What the 8 minus 125 plus 4 2's means 75 means 150 minus 4's 54 just 60 plus 8. What the value 125 plus 125 150 minus 125, what the value 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is there, 25 plus 8 33. Okay now 33 25 plus 8 33 minus 60 33 minus 60 27 by 8. Okay now that is the value. Or P of minus 5 by 2 is the value is 27 by 8.